What's up, my good people? Today we are trying out the new Bighorn Santa Maria Argentinian Parrilla Grill. We'll demonstrate its hand wheel adjustable grill, its cool V-shaped grill grates, along with many other features. We'll finish it up with a full prep and a live fire cook of a massive Tomahawk scorpion cut steak. So if you love live fire cooks, big juicy steaks, or both, let's hang out on this one right here on Al Lunacy Queuing. Welcome back, my good people. I'm Al Lunacy, and this is Al Lunacy Queuing. Today I'm excited about two things. We're doing a cook that I've never done before, and we are reviewing a new grill. So before anything else, let's start looking at the grill. So at first glance of this Bighorn Santa Maria Argentine Parrilla Grill, you'll notice the black powdered coat steel with the Bighorn badge on top and the stainless steel grill grates. But getting a closer look, you'll notice the V-shaped cooking grates that are situated at a slight incline so that grease flows to the front-mounted drip tray. This drip tray is also removable. Looking at the top right side of the grill is an oversized mechanical hand wheel and steel cable lifting system so that you can raise the grill grates for gentle roasting or lower the grill grates for an intense searing of your proteins. Situated below the hand wheel is a stainless steel handle to make it easier to move your grill around, and at the bottom of the grill is a bottom shelf for storage. Plus there is 4 caster wheels that are lockable from all 4 sides to keep your grill stable while cooking. Moving to the front of the grill is a convenient bottle opener and a front ash clean out that makes keeping your grill clean so much easier. At the bottom of the cooking chamber is reinforced steel to allow your coals and embers to fall to the ashtray. To the left side of the grill is a shelf that folds down to save space, and looking at the back side of the grill grates, you can see how they sit at an incline as mentioned earlier. Looking at the steel cable lifting system, you can see the whole construction of this grill looks well built and thought out. And now that we are more familiar with the grill, let's dive into our meat prep for our first cook. 2.69 pounds is what our Tomahawk weighs, and I got this beauty at my local H-E-B. So here's our steak. Let's go ahead and get the package open, and then we'll start doing our preparation. So now that I have the steak out of its packaging, let me give you a close-up so you can get an idea of the size of this thing. Easily 2 inches thick and a decent-sized spinalis on top. Now let's pick a couple of rubs to season this thing. Now I built the back shack number 2 with a shelf for rubs. If you have a rub and would like to have it featured here on my shelf, reach out to my email listed down below in the video description. Let's go ahead and put our binder. So the binder we're gonna use is just regular olive oil, and we're gonna spread it all over the steak. And I thought about trimming this fat, but I might just trim a little bit off. Let me get some oil in there. The first seasoning we're gonna use is my buddy Arnie Asada's Bloom Rub all the way around. I'm doing this mostly for color. I'm not giving it a heavy coat. I just want a little bit of color in the steak. And now I'm coming back with Arnie Texas OG Rub. Now this is just salt, pepper, garlic, and this is gonna be additional flavor that we're gonna give our ribeye, or our tomahawk, I should say. And then this is the part here where it takes a different twist from your regular cook of a tomahawk. The bone curves up like right here. You see that? We're gonna go ahead and start cutting about the middle right here, hoping I get a good straight cut. And I hit the bone right here on the top. To open it up some more, we will, but that looks like a scorpion right there, right? So we're gonna go ahead and season that. Hit it with our boom. Sorry if I'm covering up the camera with the OG. We'll close this up. Let's go ahead and get our fire started. And as we wait for our lump charcoal to ignite, let's pick a couple of wood splits from our stack of wood. The split on the right is mesquite wood, and the split on the left is post oak wood. Mesquite burns hot and imparts a pungent, cuminy-like smoke profile, while post oak is mild and imparts a slightly sweet smoke profile. Paired together brings a great balance of smoky flavor. The wind is coming from the southeast, so we'll set up our fire to the left side of the grill so the indirect side will still get some smoke downwind. And notice how the indirect side is still getting plenty of smoke. I placed the fat trimmings in the grease tray so they can render into beef tallow so we can pour on the steak later. We're ready to go, so here goes nothing. I'm not too sure if you can get grill marks on that, but let's see if we can. I'll attempt to do a 45-degree angle in about, I'd say in about a minute and a half. And you can already see the grease coming down from the steak. So that grease tray is working its magic. Okay, so a minute and a half. Let's go ahead and move it. Now the way these lay, I don't think they really would leave grill marks, but at least we tried, right? That looks okay. Now we're gonna give it a turn here. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on top of that side for right now to keep it moist. There we go. Okay, now I'll turn it over to the other side and butter that side. That looks tasty already, but I'll give it a few more flips before we check the temps on it. All right, so let me go ahead and turn it over the other way. There's nothing better than hearing that sizzle with a cold beverage in your hand. I think it's almost time to check the temp. We've got a good amount of fat already in that tray there. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. I think we should be close to about 100. Let's find out. 100 there. There we go. Indirectly there. Let's check the temp real quick. 120.34. I think we're good there. Let's get it out. Let it rest for about 15-20 minutes. While the steak rests, I'm going to slice some bolillo bread to toast on the comal. I'll place some butter on the cast iron and then place the bread on top. Then I'll butter the top side too. Once we are done with our toast, it's time to make some chimichurri. Fresh is always better, but to save time, we are using my Tocayo Alfragone's chimichurri rub. 2 parts rub to 1 part red wine vinegar, then 4 parts virgin olive oil. Once all our ingredients are in, we mix it all together. Now it's time to unwrap our steak from the rest. Remember that grease tray filled with beef tallow? I'll just pour that over. Ooh, yes. We'll let the steak absorb the tallow, then it's time. Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? A scorpion cut tomahawk with chimichurri and toasted buttered bolillo bread. Time to try a slice. A perfect medium doneness. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me get a little bit of chimney on it. A little bit of chimney on that. Okay guys, here goes. Fantastic. What a fun cook on the Bighorn Santa Maria style Argentine grill. If you're looking to get into open fire cooking, this is a great grill to start with. Not too big and not too small and not as expensive as other Santa Maria style grills I've seen on the market. I'll have a discount code in the video description below if you're interested. And so my good people, I hope you all are ready for grilling season. Give us a sub because we have a lot of interesting content coming your way. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. See you on the next one.